Hello, today I'm here with a great dish. One of those that makes you feel better. It's called Castilian soup, although I call it my own way.
We start by cutting 6 slices of bread. But well, if you like your soup with more bread, you could cut a few more. Now we take 3 cloves of garlic and I'm going to slice them. Like this, one after another. Little pot, a drizzle of oil, all of this on medium heat at most, just a bit above medium. We add the garlic, and when it starts to turn golden, we take it out. So use a little spoon and set it aside, leaving the oil in the pot with that garlic flavor. Here we have that magic, and we're going to use it to toast the slices of bread we had previously cut. So in they go. And if you're wondering, yes, you can use bread from the day before. Of course, no problem. It doesn't need to be fresh. Once it's toasted, flip it over and wait for it to toast a bit on the other side. While you add paprika to taste, you can use whichever you like. It can be regular, sweet, or spicy, however you want. But add plenty and give it a few turns. We want it to cook a little, but not burn. So for a few seconds, keep turning it so everything gets coated. That toasted paprika flavor is truly amazing and gives this soup a real kick. After those 30 or 40 seconds of toasting the paprika, we add a liter of broth. In my case, it's vegetable broth. Although some people just use water, but I think it tastes much better with broth. Also, it already gives it a bit of saltiness, so you don't even have to add more salt. We cover it and let it cook. But when everything starts to get soft and is about to boil, give the bread a little stir and a few turns. Repeat this process 3 or 4 times, and in just a few minutes, you'll have a soup that's almost ready. I like when it's really soft to give it one last stir like this with a fork, so the pieces of bread are well crumbled. And at this point, when you see the soup is ready, you add 2 eggs. Well, if you really want, you can even add another one. Add the eggs and stir it around. Use something like a spatula, a fork, or a spoon so they break up a little for the recipe. And that way, you'll have a great dish.
Like this one you see here.
Here, check out this authentic marvel, Castilian soup, also known as garlic or bread soup. I don't know what you prefer to call it, but the important thing is that it's amazing.
Look at that. What an amazing sight and a huge bowl of soup. We've prepared to make a truly luxurious first course. Whether it's for lunch or dinner, that's up to you. But look how good it looks. Look how good it looks. Oh my goodness. Enjoy your meal. Long live hot dishes. They almost make you feel young again. I hope you liked it and that you tell me 2 things. First, what's your favorite soup? Second, where are you watching the video from? That way, we can explore the world with delicious soups.